Yung kayo sa ng Yesus, manibatan sa ating puso tamin kaya katanggagawan. Emoy nga kakita. At kung kita reels sa datang kang YouTube, nga na we have a generation we have a sad generation with happy photos. Ano? Kaya panahon takan o, dakalarang malungkot. Pero nung gawin mo ka rin retrato da, masaya lang. Siyempre naman, potang masaya kaya yung i-post mo ito. Itang peka masanting, yung i-post mo. Pero itong katotohan na kalungkutan, kasakitan, at dadalanan tamo, siyempre, ito naman papakit ka rin aliwa. But we call about authenticity. It refers to the quality of being genuine and real. Isa tamang maging tamong totoo. What is inside is reflected what is outside. Nung nano at yung pilubluban mo, makayan mo naman kempanwal. In other words, something authentic is true to its nature and it is not misleading. The opposite of authentic are terms like untrue, bogus, fake, or false. Potangya ka maging totoo o fake. Authenticity applies such as jewelry, luxury brands, watches, and clothing. Authentic products are genuine or not counterfeit. Nang kaya, agit mo, karang mo sa saliwan nyo, di ba? Nang kaya, sasali kayong online. Ane ka something, po talalam, may po itong rasya kaya ka, ane ka tsura, ane ka lati, manusto. Kasi ngayon yung sandit ang mass production. They give a lot of premium to packaging and presentation. Businesses today heavily invest in packaging development and design. Actually, tingnan ito ang kurso, makanya mo eh. Social marketing, packaging, to attract potential buyers. This involves window dressing, kikatang accounting firms, something ande, bala mo, financially healthy organisasyon, o ya sugar coating, pag magsalita ka, anak ka something magsalita, pero matutoy sabihan. Making products appear more appealing than they actually are. Ngayon po, we have the era of social media or social mass media. Kaya sa aking face-to-face interaction, dakal mo rin tangaw sa interaction by the screen. Images are fictally filtered, edited, and you look better. Minsan kaya rin ng misa kayo ni, peparetrato kami. Ay, tangang retrato. Yan tangang po siya, ako kasanting. Anak ako kaputi. Yan totoo yan, ako man maputi eh. Kaya ako naman masanting. Pero yaman ako po, it's good to look good. It's also good to look true. Masanting ang kakakit. Pero masanting mo naman ang totoo ang kakakit. This concept of authenticity extends to people where images are presented may not always reflect what is true and the genuine self. Ewari po ng kay tilang expression din tao, magpakatotoo ka. Be true, be real. Encourage us to let superficial appearances embrace our authenticity. They urge us to move away from what is skin deep, fake, and misleading. Sometimes it's important to remember it's okay not to be okay. Acknowledging and accepting our true selves, that we are not perfect even when we're really struggling to be so. At ipumeto nga libro, yung title na dito libro, Why I Am Afraid to Tell You Who I Am. O tatakot ko sabihan nung nino talaga ako. Bakit kaya? Segutan niya po nitang ginawa kay libro. Yung ginawa po kay libro, lagyo na John Powell. I am afraid to tell you who I am because if I reveal myself, my true self, you might not like me. And it's all that I have. It is the fear of rejection. O tayo ko papagitin totoo kung panamdaman kaya ka. May totoo kung pangatao. O tayo mo ko tanggapan. Pota, pakarine mo ko. At siya mo'y kanako ito. Nya tatakot tamong matanggap. Nya dakal nang kay magkunwari tamo. Eta maging totoo. Do not underestimate the love of the community and the family. In a matured community, in a loving family, nino maning anak da, nino maning habi at aketi, tatanggapan tala nung nino Manila. Maging sino ka man, anitang anta. Eta mo isipan, we will be rejected. Lalo na, ikata mo sana. Eta mi panyira. Bante tatatapon maging tutukin balang mo ito. Powell highlights the anxiety of many people who feel that they are being authentic because they fear others not to accept or appreciate them. Another term that is close to authenticity is sincerity. To be sincere. Iba siya po yung Greek term. Sincera. Without mask. Or without wax. Kanita po itang cheddar, King Greece. At ilang parating costume. Mga lupa rin ng artista. Atin pong masaya, atin malungkot, atin lupa yung kontra, susulod na lang po dito. At makita talaga yung kanilang cheddar, kanilang palabas. Pero sabihan na itang sinesera, lakome itang kayakang maskara. The term sincere comes from the Latin phrase sinesera, which means without wax, without mask, referring to the idea of being genuine without pretense, just as a sculpture without wax that would be true to its form. Nengkay siyempre, atin tang posisyon. We have a role. Pwedeng principal ka, pwedeng manager ka, pwedeng director ka, pwedeng officer ka. Pero karas kayong pamilya mo, atang da ka, imada ka, kapatad da ka. Karas kayo ni Pisamban, may kakapatad tamo. The hats associated with our functions and titles, there is a tendency to identify with these roles and position, which sometimes mask our true selves. Yan yung kahit tinanong sa display, palabas, panlabas. Externalities, pretensions, as our tendencies. Kanita tingya pong kaluguran na direktor. May atene po, lagyo na direktor Marilu Diaz Sabaya. Nung lalo niya po ini, dahil niya akasabing artista, sikat na tao, ginawa yung dahil pelikula. Pero tilo na kaya kami nga na potang mag-taping kami nga be-abe, King Men of Light. Deposit your ego at the door before you enter. Itang ego, itang ketasan loob. Itang sarili mo. Let the soul prevail. Deposit your ego at the door before you enter. Wapi naman po, sa lungog takin, Pisamban, lungog kong mangurus. Ginula ko mo sana yung kasalanan ko pa magkunwari at yung harapan mo maging kung totoo. Integrity is when our actions are aligned with our beliefs, our values, and our words and expressions. It means living consistently with what we profess. With our personal conduct, our faith, and our choices. Our true intention and values are reflected in the action of how we express ourselves externally. At po may itong writer America, lagyo na T.S. Eliot. Nga na po, the last temptation is the greatest treason. To do the right deed for the wrong reason. Yung may kamaragul ka nung tukso kaya katamo, itang gagawa kang mayap, pero aliwa ang intention mo. Pwede pala itan gagawa kong mayap, pero naman mayap ang intention ko. Jesus, paulaganin kayong pilubluban tamo, maging sanang mayap, simple at totoo. Na anumang gagawan tamo, lalong tamo sana makatutuwanan. Magyari ko po kayong meto nga kwento. At po meto nga teacher, matuwane, retired niya po. Isyalandarengan, estudyante na. Panandang estudyante na, graduate na lang po, may garal na la, yari na la, magobra na la, professional na la. Isyalandang matuwadang teacher. O nang matuwadang teacher, naman po nakalagamit yung balena. Linwal no rin tasa na. Dito ang tasa na may aliwala kulin. May aliwala design. Wala mo rin tasa yun. O rin tasa may kumbento. Ating may anniversary, ating kaseli, ating iba't buraray, ating ano la. Tasa. Ating masanting, ating matsura. Ating niya pang linwala tasa, kaya lang, paper cup. Pero sinang kape yung matuwang professor. Dininanong kape. Kapasina na rin estudyante na, isa samtaman dala retang masanting atasa. Retang malatasa. Pero rin na lang, magkape na lang. Napansin ko, agad lang may gisan retang mas masanting atasa. O retang mas malatasa. At may lakwal na retang may masanting atasa. Tandaanan nyo, inglaman na rin tasa nga rin. Papareho mong kape. Ako'y sinangkap. Masanting yung tasa mo, maputiya. Eh, yung maputi yung tasa mo, yung lamanan yan, itang kape, singkap ko. Ating mas maulaga, liwa yung tasa. Alim mo itang kape, itang kikatang pamiyabi-yabi, at panahon may pagkwento. Ito po sana yung kikatang may pabalita. Akita yung kikatang pilubluban, mas maulaga, kaya nakakita rin mata. Ilayunin pa, paningan natin. Panin ng Espiritu.
Amen.